The windy city of Chicago is white as well as windy, battered by a furious winter storm which dumped 2 feet of snow across the Midwest. 68 deaths were traced to the blizzard. 10-foot drifts were a common sight after the 29-hour snowfall which brought this giant city to a standstill. Some 10,000 cars, buses, and trucks were abandoned on the streets and highways. Train and airline operations were halted, some for several days. There was widespread looting, and many fires broke out. Helicopters flew emergency missions with food, drugs, and blood supplies. Milk, bread, fuel, and mail deliveries were all stopped by the snowstorm, described as one of the biggest and worst of the century. It reduced Chicago to a toddling town, indeed.